Hi guys, welcome to A-Tech Media. This is the DJI Ronin S gimbal, and we are going to be doing an unboxing of this gimbal. What are the features? What does it consist? Is this something that is what you're going for, or is it something that is not? We are going to get to know in this video. So let's get to open it and see what it has inside. So guys, here's our gimbal, and we're going to check it out. So let's unbox this thing. So presently it's connected to my smartphone, and that's a very key feature of this gimbal, right? So I think it's something you want to consider. We'll have another tutorial that will teach you how to couple this gimbal, right? And we'll teach you also or see the movements of this drone, because drone is all about stability. Right, it's all about providing stability for your movie shots and everything. So we are going to be trying that out. As how good is it? How operational is it when it comes to that? Right. So just stay tuned for the next tutorial on this gimbal. So this is it for the DJI Ronin S gimbal. Now you let me know in the comment section, this is something that you are going to get, or you feel that it's something that is not worth it functionality wise, right? Do you think the cost is not worth the functionality, or do you think it's something you're going to get? So just let me know in the comment section. And what you want to do is that you want to subscribe to this amazing channel, A-Tech Media, right? We have other amazing gadgets that we've reviewed and we are going to review in the future. So you want to do what to check them out, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like this video and share it to as many that you feel to be beneficial. So see you in the next video. Bye.
Is your church struggling with poor video or streaming quality? Are you lacking the equipment that make for a better media workflow? A-Tech Media has got you covered. We have good laptops, live streaming mixers, cameras of different kinds, network devices and solutions, and other media accessories. We offer a wide range of quality products to suit any budget, and we have also introduced a system of paying in installments, so you can acquire any equipment of your choice without going bankrupt. Don't settle for less. Contact us via WhatsApp today. A-Tech Media, your partner in media and technology.